comfortable. Yes, I'm comfortable. Just let's drink some more drinks. I will seriously lay down a drink and I'll pour it down my grandma's mouth. That's how I live. That's how I do. That's how I live. That's how I do. I'm not kidding. Don't call the cops on me, because I'll be afraid. My grandma loves it. She loves it.
Is his bike did to me? Look at the scar right
Izzy
here.
is crazy, but she loves doing crazy shit like Patrick Swayze when he was in that movie Ghost. But you gotta understand, she's all there, man. His name is Jesse Truffino. Detroit in the house, not in my house. I'm a West Coast motherfucker. Way straight up. Upside down. Am I wrong?
Sounds it.
Mm-hmm.